Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to talk about managing your images using some of the facilities in Fantastico. And you'll go down to where Fantastico gives you a menu for image galleries. And you'll see a number of resources available. Some are made to protect the images on your site, and some are made to display the images on your site. And some of the galleries are made to be used without your database. We are going to explore the Photoblog. And to do that, we're going to click Install a new copy. And to do that, we're going to have to specify our directory, write in the username, password, and email, and then give a title and subtitle to our blog. Once you have all of your information in, you'll then click Submit. Once we get to the Verifier page, we'll verify our details, and then we'll click Proceed. Fantastico will go through the install process, and then we'll have access to our Photoblog. So we're going to go to this backend URL and then log in. So once we are logged in, we can then begin using these links to upload our photos. And then our upload is completed. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.